Hey guys, it's Marianne and welcome to week 11. So, oh my gosh, we are cruising on through this semester. Oh my gosh. So I thought I'd open up week 11 early because this week, week 10, was pretty easy if you ask me. And maybe you want to get a jump start toward as we move into the end of the semester, which is perfectly fine with me. So please watch these videos before you even jump into the next assignment or the next major essay. There is a difference between searching and research, and this is just, I think it's only 2 minutes. The information cycle video, that's like 2 minutes as well. Persuasive techniques, now that is just a website that you can scroll through and get an idea of what we look at in ads to determine why they are persuasive. Writing process, please take a look at that quick video. How to research, that is 11 minutes and that is from me, and this is the PowerPoint. Essay organization, that again, please just watch it. This is the checklist for week 11. And so now we're moving into the visual rhetorical analysis essay. So again, we're going to be starting with brainstorming. Here's a couple videos to remind you what the brainstorming is all about. And then the rubric is here. So it is 145 points. I do have a sample essay. I also have a link to explain the visual rhetorical analysis essay. It is 1,500 points, 13 to 1,500 points. That would be, probably 5 to 6 pages. And the whole point is to write an articulate and clear and thoughtful, well-organized visual rhetorical analysis essay. So you're just going to analyze a video or an image and identify its persuasive qualities, but you're going to have to do a lot of observation and just attention to detail is really what I'm after. Also, there's just a ton of videos about what you look. I mean, each video is going to have something different, so you might as well just watch them all because you never know what element is going to be in your ad, and who knows, it might be something from one video and something from another, and you just make a whole composite list of all of them. Here is one video. This video is me talking. This is the PowerPoint that goes along with that video, and then here is another video. These videos in this rubric are different from the ones you guys watched last week. And again, here's the videos that you have on this front page here. So if you don't watch them over there, then this is a reminder to make sure you watch them here. You will use 3 outside sources. And why? Why would you even use outside sources? The reason why is what is the purpose of color? So go on to Google Scholar or even the LCC website, the library website, and how is color used in ads, and what does each color tend to symbolize or imply or give connotation of? So just even color or more specifics on persuasive qualities of ads. There is another thing you can do, and that is some people do write about different ads. So you certainly could use some of the ideas in other people's analysis of the ads that you're going to take a look at, especially since the ads that you would most likely use are from the Super Bowl 2020 or 2021. You don't have to. If you have one in mind, feel free. All right, so brainstorming we're going to need. I would like to see, of course, your working thesis. The video for that is here. Here's just a template. Rocket Mortgage's 2021 Super Bowl. Certain is better. Advertisement is effectively persuasive because, okay, what are the traits of it being persuasive? And then put those 3 in there, 4. And then again, more handouts and websites about how to analyze ads and images. Annotated bibliography, you guys are going to do that of 3 sources. I'm not requiring any of them from the library, but you're certainly welcome to use it. outline or the first draft is due on November 21st. So that's next Sunday, not this coming Sunday, but next Sunday, depending upon, I guess, when you listen to my video. Writing Center, make sure you go there. Participate in Peer Workshop. You can start on that anytime you want. Well, starting next week or next Sunday. I want a second draft as well, and then your final draft. The grading criteria is here, and this rubric is approved and used across the board at Lansing Community College for English 121. So this is the rubric that all English 121 professors use. So let me go back here. Here's the Dropbox for the brainstorming. We're not going to use the discussion board or Google Doc for brainstorming unless you want me to. I'd be happy to share. I don't know if that was valuable to you or not. I do have a method to my madness of why we did do it originally. So if you want me to put one out there, I'd be happy to. Then we have a working thesis. All of these assignments are due November 21st. Visual, rhetorical, annotated bibliography. And where's that one video I wanted to make you, how to research. Make sure you guys watch this video. Yeah, it's 11 minutes, but make sure you watch it. I know I put it out there, but remind yourself, this is a thing where you mull stuff over. You can't do all of these 4 things and do a good job the night before it's due. So, I don't know. You have tons of time. We are all done with synthesis papers. We are all done with article reflections. We are all done with discussion boards. We are all done with spruce ups. So now we're just coasting into the last month of our course. You guys got all the hard work done. So take your time. Do a good job. Yeah, that's my little spiel, I guess. Annotated bibliography, and then your first draft. So all that's due November 21st. And then we move into and I put these out here. I mean, you guys might want to cruise ahead. Who knows? Second draft is due the following Sunday. Make sure you participate in peer workshop and get some feedback from your peers. Writing Center, I want you to visit them, and you can visit them anytime during the writing process. A lot of times brainstorming is a wonderful time to use the Writing Center. And then the final essay right here. So again, this is the rubric. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. But other than that, I think that is it. So you guys have a great day, okay?